Are you ready to learn the secrets of creating a profitable YouTube channel without showing your face using AI? There's a channel making over $9,000 a month by posting simple videos. Sounds familiar, right? You might have seen similar videos on YouTube. A while back, a new way to make YouTube Shorts quickly became popular. Many YouTubers jumped on this trend, but they all used the same method and even focused on the same topic: psychology facts. This was no coincidence. Initially, this approach was really successful, especially for those who started early in that niche. But soon, the market got too crowded with similar content, making it tough for new creators to get noticed and achieve the same success. However, most people didn't think of using this powerful AI strategy in more creative ways. In fact, one of my earlier videos on this topic turned out to be my most successful one. So, I decided to create an updated approach, building on what worked before, but pushing it further. I'm still using ChatGPT and Canva, but the content we're going to make this time is next level. By the end of this video, you'll have a faceless YouTube channel ready to make money and all automated with AI. I'll be showing you how to create. But wait, if you are new on our channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification to get more videos like this. Are you ready to create 3 months worth of YouTube Shorts in one go? Plus, I'll show you how to use AI to generate all your video titles, descriptions, and hashtags. Let me show you a YouTube channel that focuses on quiz and riddle videos. These videos are getting millions of views because they're so engaging. People love trying to solve the riddles, which keeps them watching longer. Just look at the comments to see how popular these videos are. Now, you might wonder if this channel is making money. Here's a quick way to check. Right-click on the YouTube page, select View Page Source, then search for Monetize using Ctrl+F or Command+F on a Mac. If it says True, the channel is monetized. This channel, for example, makes about $60,000 a year, according to Social Blade. From my own experience, these figures are often accurate or even on the low side. Look at this new channel that's using the same approach. They're getting thousands of views and are already monetized. If they can do it, so can you. I've researched and refined a strategy for easy, time-saving video creation. Our plan is to make shorts instead of long videos, as YouTube is now monetizing shorts and they have a high chance of going viral. People also prefer short content these days. First, we'll create riddles using ChatGPT. It's always good to appreciate AI, who knows? Someday AI might become like Ultron, but for now it can help us create great content. Ready to be an AI's assistant for a while? If we just ask ChatGPT for riddles, we might get something basic, but with the right prompt, we can get more interesting results. Here's my approach. I'll ask ChatGPT as a riddle expert to create 5 easy but engaging riddles. Each riddle should have 3 choices with only 1 correct answer. I'll specify the format and even give an example to guide it. Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. It's done a good job, but remember, ChatGPT can be quirky. If you need an alternative, Google's Bard AI is another option. For now, I'll stick with ChatGPT. My plan is to get 300 riddles, but ChatGPT can only do 10 at a time, so it'll take a few tries. Once we have all our riddles, I'll put them into a Google Sheet to keep them organized. Sometimes the fields get a bit messy, so I'll tidy them up for later use. Here's a quick step for you. Take a moment to hit the subscribe button. It helps us stay connected and motivates me to share more AI tips like this one. Now, on to step 3. Let's head to Canva and start creating our video. First, we'll pick a background by searching in the Elements tab. Copy the text from the first riddle column and paste it onto our video template. You can adjust the text size, and if you want it in all caps, just click the option and choose your preferred font style. To make the text stand out more, let's add a text background. Now, let's add a background to our text. Choose a square shape in Canva, adjust its size, and select a color you like. Since the background might be too bright for the text, add a black overlay and adjust its transparency to make it look better. To place the text behind the background, right-click, go to Layers, and choose Send to Backward. Head back to your Google Sheets to get the next riddle text. Paste it into Canva, then pick a font and size that looks good. For a bit of flair, let's add an illustration. How about a character pointing upwards? With Canva, you can remove the background for a cleaner appearance. To make it more dynamic, add some motion. Click on Animations and see which one fits your style. Apply the animation to every element on the screen. A crucial step is timing. Right-click the text layer and select Show Timing. This feature lets you decide when elements appear or disappear. Go back and copy the next part of the riddle, making sure it's the right size. This part needs a background too, so click on Effects and pick one that works well with the text. Set the timing for this section and add animation. Now repeat these steps for all three options of the riddle. If you need to duplicate an element on the screen, to duplicate elements in Canva, just click and drag while holding the Alt key. Ensure that new elements only appear after the previous ones have disappeared. Here's what our riddle video looks like so far. To keep viewers interested, I'll add another animation to these elements. Now it's time for a timer to ramp up the excitement. Choose any timer you like and set its timing. We're almost done. Repeat these steps for the answer part of the riddle. In just a moment, you'll see the fantastic result. But wait, we're missing something: music. You're right, music adds a lot to a video, but be careful with Canva's music due to potential copyright issues. I recommend finding free music from the YouTube Music Library and uploading it to Canva. Before I show you the final result, let's add one more element. Here's how our riddle looks now. It's quite good, right? Step 4 is where we automate everything. In Canva, go to Apps and look for Bulk Create. Note that this requires a paid subscription, but you can get a 30-day free trial. Once in the Bulk Create tool, choose Enter Data Manually and clear the table. Go back to your Google Sheets. Copy 30 rows, including titles, and paste them into Canva. Here's a key step. Right-click the title and connect data. This links each data point to its corresponding text element on our video. Soon you'll see how this all comes together. After you've linked each data point to the correct text element in Canva, like connecting body text to body in the Connect Data list, you'll see it marked with a tick. Once everything is connected, click Continue and then Generate. Just like magic, you'll have 30 shorts ready in seconds. But hold on! There's a reason I only made 30 shorts. We don't want all our videos to look the same. So let's go back and change the background and colors in our template for the next set. And there you have it, another batch of YouTube shorts, all set for a Faceless channel, completely automated with AI. To download them, just click the download button and make sure the right option is selected. Now for step 5, the final step, creating your Faceless YouTube channel and uploading these shorts with the help of AI. Since this video is getting long, remember, 3 key things are crucial: the title, description, and tags. They really make a difference. For these, I'll turn to ChatGPT again. I'll give it a prompt to create all 3 at once, tailored to your video topic. Just copy what ChatGPT gives you and paste it into YouTube along with your shorts. Once you've got everything ready, your video title, description, and tags, go ahead and hit the Publish button. If you follow these steps, you should start seeing results on your channel. And that wraps up our video. Our goal is to deliver valuable, productive insights. If you find this info helpful, please support us by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comments. What would you like to see next?